You asked, how often do electric vehicles break down?
My simple answer is they haven't been on the road that long, so maybe we don't know. But let's just look at some of the key facts. An electric car doesn't have to have an oil filter, doesn't have to have oil. So if you don't put oil in the car, in a normal car, well, the car will break down. In an electric car, you don't have to have that maintenance element. You also don't need certain oil filters and various other filters, but obviously all the electronic components of the car, such as the wiper motors, etc., they can still break down. So from that perspective, an electric car and a normal motor vehicle are very similar. You've also got obviously the tires, they can go flat. You've got bearings that could have a problem. So in some way, an electric car and a motor vehicle with the conventional petrol engine, from all the maintenance elements, are actually very similar. But when it comes to the engine, there is a large difference, because those electric engines that are in electric cars, they're fully sealed units. They've been designed to run many hundreds of thousands of kilometers, most likely longer than actually a petrol engine is designed to, because there's less wear and tear. The biggest Achilles heel of an electric car is the battery. So the battery will last around the 10,000, not the 10,000 kilometers. No, you would be pretty cranky if that would be the case. No, I meant to say 10 years. And after that, it still will hold about 50, 60, up to 80% of the charge. But you won't be able to drive as far and you won't be able to drive as fast. And from those aspects, people are possibly going to get a bit sick of it and will want to change the battery. And the battery is a very significant cost to replace at this point in time. Now, we know that the battery technology is developing, and so in those 10 years, let's say you do want to continue with the car and you want to change the battery, you will have had significant savings versus a petrol car, and some of those savings have to be reinvested back into the battery. And I would expect in 5, 6, 8 years, when a lot of those electric cars are now 10 years old by that stage, people will actually double check the state of the battery. And I think it will be a key consideration when you purchase a second-hand electric car as to how long the battery has been in the car, how many kilometers been driven, how many charges, discharges happened. So the battery is the Achilles heel, but on all other aspects, an electric car is possibly slightly more reliable than a petrol car.
Want more energy answered? Visit YourEnergyAnswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.